Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by stopping any heavy activity and prioritizing data preservation. This prevents further degradation. First, unmount or safely eject the failing disk so the system stops writing to it. Next, attach a known good external SSD or spare drive and prepare your cloning tool. Choose software that tolerates read errors and works sector by sector. Once ready, start a read-only image or clone immediately to capture as much data as possible while the disk still responds. This preserves evidence for recovery if needed. You perform a controlled, deep clone while monitoring drive health. This extracts stable data and isolates faults. Run a sector-by-sector copy with limited retries and enable bad block logging so the tool skips unreadables after several attempts. While cloning, query SMART for reallocated sector counts and pending sectors to track failure progression. Once the clone finishes, mount the clone read-only and run file system checks and targeted recovery on that copy. Make sure to prioritize critical folders first, then move to less important data. You now verify and finalize. Check recovered files with checksums or random spot checks to ensure usable data. If integrity is acceptable, replace the failing disk with a new drive or SSD and restore your OS and files from the verified clone or image. Once restored, update backups and enable smart monitoring to detect future issues early. If cloning repeatedly fails or smart shows catastrophic failure, pause further DIY attempts and contact a professional cleanroom recovery service to avoid worsening the condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.